we are seeing here, these are bones of two different animals. This bigger one, okay, as you can see here, this bigger one, this is a vertebra of an elephant, and we also have these smaller vertebrae. So these are of some bovids that we have to identify in the laboratory which animal these belongs to. So mostly all of these bigger ones are of elephant, and these are not completely fossilized. These are still under the process of fossilization. But after looking at their taphonomy and other things, we can say that these are at least more than 150 years of age.